Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3Web. This is Vijay Kumar, admin and founder of W3Web.net. Friends, today we are going to learn how to update phone number from contact to account. The scenario is whenever we update the phone number of contact, the related account phone number will be automatically updated. So let's go to the example. Suppose that this is a phone number. So now I am updating the phone number from 5555. I am putting 4 times 5. So after updating the record of this account, this phone number will be automatically reflect to this account's phone number because this account is associated with this record. So after saving this record of contact, the phone number of contact will automatically updated into the account. So I updated the phone number. Now I am saving it. So as can you see, record has been saved successfully. So I have updated 555. Now I am going to the related account. So this is the name of the account. Clicking on this. Yes, you can see phone number has been updated successfully from contact to account. That means we have achieved this scenario using the Apex class trigger. For now, I am going to the coding part. So before coding, I am going to the article of w3web.net. In this article, I use this code and we will apply all of the code for achieving this scenario. So according to this article, there are two steps. Step number 1, step number 2. In the step number 1, we have to create contact trigger and we have to create Apex class controller and helper. So this Apex class controller will be called into the Apex class trigger. So as per the step 1, we need to create Apex class trigger. So copy this name of the Apex class, go to the developer console. I already created the Apex class trigger name, so not need to create again same file name. So now this is a icon where you can click and copy the code. So copy the code, go to developer console. I created a contact trigger already. So now I am pasting here. Then save it. So after that, go to the step number 2. As per the step number 2, we need to create a Apex class controller. The name of the Apex class controller is this contact trigger handler. Go to the developer console. I already created this handler class, so not need to create again. Just copy this icon, copy and paste all of the code. After save it. As you can see, I have created first trigger and second handler classes. These handler classes, this is a handler classes, this handler and helper, this is a helper, this is a handler classes and this is a helper method. This class will call into the trigger. So as can you see, this is the class name and this is the method name. So contact trigger handler dot after update helper, because I am updating the parent record from contact phone number. So this handler calling into this trigger. So after saving the both of the files, you will get successfully this scenario. So friends, do from your side. It will be fine, working fine. If you get anything issue, please write in comment box. And if you not subscribe till now my channel, please subscribe it, because I am sharing this type of knowledge every day. And if you will get anything issue, please write in comment box. Thank you so much.